Question 2, Part A, Part 5. If you had dandruff, which of the products gone or off would you use on the basis of the study above? Give full statistical reasons in your answer together with any relevant calculations. Would you use gone or off? Well, let's have a look at gone and off in the table here. If we look at the table, we can see 254 people used gone and had an improvement out of 380 who used gone. So 254 out of 380 had an improvement using gone. What about using off? 183 out of 288 had an improvement. So we can write down those fractions and compare those two fractions. Okay, so use gone, 254 out of 380, and used off, 183 out of 288. Well, how do you compare these two fractions and see which one is best? Alright, we're going to have to change these into a decimal because decimals are easy to compare. Fractions are not easy to compare. If you want to make any comparison between fractions, you have to change them to decimals. So let's, in the calculator, type out 254 divided by 380 to get it into a decimal. This is 0.668 to 3dp. And then the other one, 183 divided by 288 is 0.635 to 3dp. Okay, now there's not really a heck of a difference between these two. You might want to write a statement and say, well, they're pretty much the same, and that would be fine. Really, the number that, or the proportion of improvement from using off is kind of similar to the proportion for using gone. I mean, gone is a little bit better because the decimal is better for using gone. You might, but it's up to you. But you're going to have to make it very clear why you would use which one. If you say there's not much difference, you need to write down that it will depend on the price. Because there's not much difference, you write down it would depend on the price. I'm going to write down that I would use gone because gone is better in terms of its improvement, just slightly better. Okay, gone is slightly better. So I would choose gone. Better chance of success with gone. And that's an acceptable answer. As you can see here, 0.668 is greater than 0.635. You can write that down very clearly. There's a better chance. You've got a higher success rate using gone than if you used off. So as long as you give valid reasons for your choice and you use the calculations in your answer, then you'll get the marks for that.